In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward a Zendesk ticket. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Zendesk account. Head over to the Zendesk website. Once you're there, you'll see a sign-in button. Go ahead and click on that. Now you'll need to enter your email and password to access your account. After you log in, you will find yourself on your main dashboard, which is where all the action begins. Once you're on the dashboard, it's time to select the ticket you want to forward. Take a moment to browse through your list of tickets. This could be a bit overwhelming if you have a lot of them, but don't worry. Just look for the specific ticket that you need to forward to someone else. It's usually marked with the subject or name of the person involved, so it should be fairly easy to find. Click on that ticket to open it up. Now that you have the ticket open, we need to locate the assignee drop-down menu. This is typically found near the top of the ticket details. So go ahead and scan the area around the ticket information, and you should spot this menu. It's essential for our next step, so make sure you find it. Once you've located the assignee drop-down menu, click on it. This should reveal a list of all the available agents or team members you can forward the ticket to. Take a moment to scroll through the list and find the name of the person you want to forward the ticket to. When you've found the right person, just click on their name to make your selection. This assigns the ticket to them and lets them know that they'll be taking over from here. Now we're almost done. But before we can call this process complete, we need to submit the update. Look toward the bottom of the ticket window and you should see a button labeled Submit as Open. Click on this button. What this does is save all the changes you've made, keeps the ticket active, and automatically alerts the new assignee. They'll receive a notification about the ticket being forwarded to them, so you can feel confident that everything is taken care of. And that's it. You've successfully forwarded a Zendesk ticket. It's a straightforward process once you get the hang of it, and it really helps keep your workflows efficient and organized. If you have any questions about this process or need further assistance, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Remember to check back often for more helpful tips and tricks on using Zendesk effectively. And above all, don't forget to like this video if you found it useful and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.